Hello friends, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. I hope you're doing well today. We had a request from a YouTube client, and basically the request is that even though we touched this subject before, basically the client wants to be able to have a status page and basically only show access events on doors with cards. All right, so obviously if you leave the system with the default all events report, you do see those access granted and denied events for users, but you also see like the door opening and closing and the request to exit events. So basically every time someone badges and open the door, there's probably maybe 8 or 10 different events that may show up. So it's very difficult for, let's say, a security guard to see clearly what's going on and then react based on the activity on site. Basically, again, this is like a review of what we've done before, but basically we're going to create an event filter with specific event types. We're going to assign the event filter to an event report, and then we're going to create a new status page view with that event report. So basically someone can look at the system in real time and then see the different user activity on doors with their cards. Okay, we could also have pin access if the system uses pin and card, but in this example I'm just going to focus on card access events because that's what our friend from YouTube said that he needed. So all right, so let's have a look. Right now I'm on the GX platform. As you know, Inaxsys is the Canadian distributor of ICT products. All right, so if you need help with quoting or pre-sales questions or support, you can reach our sales and support teams from inaxsys.com. So basically from the home page, what I did earlier to show you, I basically went to event filters. I created a new event filter here, and I removed the include all event types. And then here, if you want to take note of these different event types, this is typically the most common ones related to users using cards on doors, okay? So, basically access granted and access denied, and the reason for the access denied. I also had it, user disabled or expired if that's something you use on site. Okay, so the first step, you create a new event filter. Again, this is what I suggest to use for card access events at doors, all right? And also if you have, let's say, an elevator system, you can add also the events for the elevator, so the user went to the elevator system with his card, okay? So that's basically the first step. Now, under reports, setup, and event, I created a new event report and assigned my event filter to it, okay? And then the last step before I can show you the result is under monitoring, setup, status page, editor here, and I created this page here with the type 2 event window, user card access events, all right, which is the report we created earlier, okay? So now to show you the result, we go to monitoring, status page view. I have my report here, and you can see in real time, when I'm badging, like that, there's more events added to the list. So basically this removes any, unnecessary events, all right, and focus only on card access events, okay? Obviously, like here, we can also have multiple event windows. So now I have all events showing everything. But if I go back to this page now, it's going to show only the user events in the system. And basically the user events when they use cards on a card reader. Okay, so again, very simple. This was to help one of our followers on YouTube. So again, thanks for asking questions. We always try to answer you very quickly. All right, so thanks for watching. My name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. See you soon.